You are original. God doesn't duplicate anybody. I mean, walay sama nimo. O wala ko'y sama nako. Dili pwede na ako mahimong ikaw, kung ikaw mahimong ako. Or ka. Every fingerprints is different. And every strand of hair on your head, he counts. Pagka-unique na lang yun mo best. So why are we so desperate to be like other people? Comparison is a trap. Kana sa compare sa imong kaugalingon sa uban, dili jud ka magmalipayon. Because everybody is known for different things. But because we live in this world, we all look at other people's lives and we want what they have. Even though God has called us to something completely different. There's more to life than always comparing yourself to other people. Daghan ba kaayo kag mabuhat sa imong kaugalingon? Ikaw na yung makabuhatan. If you spend less time being jealous of other people's lives, start reflecting the way God has wired us individually,